As you've probably already guessed, it all starts when you hit that New button in the upper left. There's now an empty rack into which you'll install an amplifier module, the output of which will be patched to the main out's 1LM jack. As is often the case, you'll want an envelope generator. Add one and then go to the CV outs panel and patch its gate jack into the envelope's gate in patch point. Route the envelope's envelope out to the amplifier's CV in. Now add an 8-step sequencer module. Route the sequencer's output to the amplifier's input. Most sequencer-based patches use a sequencer to control the pitch of one or more oscillators. This patch will do it the other way round, using an oscillator to control the pitch of the sequencer's output. Add an oscillator to the left of the sequencer module. Run a cable from the pitch jack in the CV outs panel down to the oscillator's keyboard CV input. Patch that oscillator sawtooth output to the sequencer's external clock jack and click the EXT button to lash the sequencer's clock to the oscillator's frequency. Go ahead and click play in the sequencer to get it started. You won't hear anything yet. For that, you'll need to create a waveform using the sequencer's various sliders. For the moment, just push the first 4 all the way up. Now, if you play some notes from your keyboard controller, you should hear something like a square wave. Add an oscilloscope module and connect the amplifier's output to the oscilloscope's input. You might notice that the sound sort of falls apart at some frequencies. You can get slightly different results by using the oscillator's pulse wave to drive the sequencer. Try setting its width to 95%. Looking at the scope, experiment with the sequencer sliders to produce some different wave shapes.